Is your Windows 11 PC getting slower every day? Before you spend money on more RAM, new SSD, or PC optimization software, try this built-in Windows settings first. They just take a few minutes and make your PC feel noticeably faster. Let's jump right in. One of the biggest reasons Windows slows down is the number of apps that launches automatically every time you start your PC. Press Ctrl Shift Escape together to open Task Manager. Then click Startup Apps. You will see every program that starts with Windows. This is anything you don't use every day, like Spotify, Discord, Adobe Creative Cloud, Xbox, or Microsoft Teams. The fewer apps Windows has to load during startup, the faster your PC will boot. Avoid disabling drivers or softwares from Microsoft, Intel, AMD, Nvidia, or your PC manufacturer unless you know exactly what they do. Restart your PC afterward and you will likely notice the difference immediately. Over time, Windows collects temporary files, old updated files, cache, and other junk that takes up valuable storage. Now open Settings by pressing Windows I, then go to System, then go to Storage. If Windows asks for permission, click on Yes. Turn on the storage settings if it's turned off. Click into storage settings and choose how often Windows will clean temporary files automatically. One important tip, set delete files and downloads to never, unless you are sure you want Windows to remove all downloads automatically. And now just scroll down and click on Run Storage Settings now. Keeping your drive clean helps Windows stay responsive, especially when storage starts getting full. If you were using a laptop, Windows often prioritizes battery life instead of performance. Again, open Settings by pressing Windows I, then go to System, then Power and Battery. Under the Power mode, select the best performance whenever your laptop is plugged in. When running on battery, you can switch back to balance or power efficiency mode. Desktop users usually already set to high performance, but it's still worth checking. Windows 11 looks great, but animations and transparency use system resources. Now just click on Start menu and search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open it. Instead of selecting Adjust for best performance, I recommend a balanced approach. Disable most animations, but leave smooth edge of screen fonts enabled so text stays sharp and easy to read. Your PC feels quicker without making Windows look outdated. Many people leave their PC running for days or even weeks. Sleep mode is convenient, but it doesn't replace a proper restart. Restarting Windows clears temporary memory, refreshes system processes, completes updates, and often fixes small performance issues automatically. If your PC has been running continuously, restart it before trying anything more complicated. Many people avoid Windows updates because they're worried about something might break. That's understandable, but Microsoft also includes performance improvements, driver updates, bug fixes, and security patches. Again, open Settings by pressing Windows I, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install the available updates, then restart your PC prompted. You don't have to install every optional freebie updates, but staying reasonably current helps Windows performance better. Sometimes Windows isn't slow, your browser is. If you have dozens of Chrome or Edge tabs open, they're in memory even if you're not looking at them. Close tabs you no longer need and remove browser extensions you rarely use. Now open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Shift Escape together. Now click on Performance tab, watch your CPU, memory, and disk usage while using your PC. If your memory stays above 90%, more RAM can help. If your SSD is almost full, free up storage. If one application is constantly using the most of your CPU, you found the real cause of the slowdown. Always diagnose the problem before spending money on upgrades. If I could recommend just one settings, it would be disabling unnecessary startup apps. It's one of the fastest way to improve Windows performance, and you will notice the difference the very next time you restart your PC. Small changes like this can help Windows 11 running smoothly without spending a dollar. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Sudama Lab for more Windows 11 tips, Microsoft updates, and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.